When homeowners in Phoenixville think about improving their property's value, window installation is often overlooked. Yet, professionally installed windows can significantly boost both the market appeal and long-term worth of a home. Beyond visual upgrades, proper window installation impacts energy efficiency, comfort, durability, and buyer confidence, key factors that influence home value in today's competitive market. First impressions matter more than you think. Windows are one of the first things people notice when they approach a home. Clean lines, modern frames, and properly fitted windows instantly improve curb appeal. In Phoenixville neighborhoods where charm and character matter, well-installed windows complement the architectural style rather than distract from it. Poorly installed windows, on the other hand, can appear crooked, leave visible gaps, or show signs of premature wear. These details may signal neglect to potential buyers. Professional installation ensures windows sit flush, open and close smoothly, and look intentional, qualities that enhance perceived value from the very first glance. Energy efficiency. That buyers look for energy efficiency is a top priority for today's homeowners and buyers alike. Proper window installation plays a major role in preventing air leaks, heat loss, and moisture intrusion. Even high-quality windows can underperform if they aren't installed correctly. In Phoenixville's changing seasons, professionally installed windows help regulate indoor temperatures year-round. This means lower heating and cooling costs, fewer drafts, and a more comfortable living environment. Buyers recognize these benefits and often place a higher value on homes with efficient, well-installed windows that promise long-term savings. Protecting the structure of your home. Correct window installation does more than improve appearance, it protects your home's structure. Improper installation can allow water infiltration, leading to rot, mold, and hidden damage around walls and frames. Over time, these issues can become costly repairs that reduce a home's value. Professional installers ensure proper flashing, sealing, and insulation around each window. This attention to detail safeguards the integrity of your home and reassures future buyers that the property has been well maintained. Homes with fewer underlying issues typically appraise higher and sell faster. Enhanced comfort and everyday enjoyment. Home value isn't just about resale, it's also about daily comfort. Properly installed windows reduce outside noise, eliminate drafts, and improve indoor air quality. In busy or growing areas of Phoenixville, sound reduction can be a major selling point. When windows function as they should, homeowners enjoy a quieter, more peaceful living space. This level of comfort enhances overall satisfaction and makes the home more appealing to buyers who are looking for move-in-ready properties without lingering issues. Long-term durability and reduced maintenance. Correct installation extends the lifespan of your windows. When windows are aligned, sealed, and supported properly, they experience less stress and wear over time. This means fewer repairs, less maintenance, and better long-term performance. Buyers appreciate knowing that they won't need to replace or repair windows shortly after purchasing a home. Well-installed windows signal quality craftsmanship and smart investment, two factors that directly contribute to higher property value. A smart investment for Phoenixville homeowners. Proper window installation is more than a home improvement, it's an investment in your property's future. Whether you plan to sell soon or stay for years, professionally installed windows enhance aesthetics, efficiency, comfort, and structural integrity. In Phoenixville's active housing market, these advantages can set your home apart. When buyers see quality windows installed the right way, they see a home that's been cared for, upgraded thoughtfully, and priced to reflect real value.